I've been involved in restaurants for a long time, so I have a few pretty good stories. This one is one of my favorites. It's 11:30 p.m., December 31st, 1973, right in the middle of what I refer to as the golden age of pompous dining. My mother is handling front of house stuff as hostess. My sister is checking coats in the coat room, and I'm a 16-year-old weekend line cook, just finishing up my shift after serving 600 covers. But we're not done yet. Next up, we need to rush to open 20 cases of champagne in time for the midnight toast. You twist the wire off the cap, you throw a side towel loosely over the bottle, grab the neck, give it a little bit of a twist until you hear the pop. Then you add that bottle to the others on the tray and watch as servers bring those full trays out into the dining room. As the last tray was departing and the door was swinging closed, we could hear the bar band. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! We just made it. A few minutes later, in comes my mother to wish me a Happy New Year with a kiss on my cheek, probably like she's done for the 15 prior years to that. Then something magical happens to this teen-aged food nerd. The waitstaff, who were mostly women, started streaming into the kitchen. One after another, young and old alike, approached me, wishing and kissing, and they were not aiming for my cheek. It was innocent and lovely and wonderful. And I can tell you that on that New Year's Eve, there was no place in the world that I'd rather be.